You say non-grant or irrevocable complex discretionary spendthrift trust. It makes people's brains paralyze. It's a mouthful, right? They're like, what the fuck does that mean? And I'm like, I have to say it a different way because it just doesn't make it. It's like, okay, how long is it going to take someone to learn that? I don't need someone saying, what the fuck does that mean? I need someone saying, is that possible? Can you actually do that? So what I've come to with these is, you have to plug it in this right here. You have to kind of understand what's in here, which I could guarantee you, there's about 15, 20, 12 people in here right now. I bet you none of you have actually read this like me. The U.S. Constitution. Maybe one or two of you have opened it, right? Put a 1 in here if you've read this from cover to cover. The Constitution. Anyone? All right, fair enough. So this is so simple. This simplifies everything. There's Article 1, Section 10. Article that says it all. It's a very short sentence, okay? It says it all. Article 1, Section 10 of the Constitution, it says, the state shall not impair any obligations of a private agreement. Let me say it again, and then we'll kind of dissect it because it means a few different things. It's so simple. I love when things are simple and they mean a lot. The state shall not impair any obligations to a private agreement. And what's that mean? Well, let's start with the private agreement part. That means you have the right, based on the Constitution, to write your own private agreement and not operate in the public, which means your Social Security number, using 1099s, W-2s, W-4s, 1040s. That's all public contract. You're doing that because you were told to do that. You've never actually looked at the Constitution that gives you the right to operate privately. So the Constitution gives you the operate in a private agreement. Okay, that's part of it. So you can write a private agreement called a non-grant or irrevocable complex discretionary spendthrift trust. But what is that? What kind of contract is that? Because you're rewriting the contract. You're waking up from the Matrix, going out to the construct, putting on your weapons, putting on your armor, get your Kung Fu upgraded programming, and coming back in and kicking ass, dodging bullets, and flying around. Okay? Boo, bullets, right? That's what this thing does. But what is it really? Simplify it, right? What is a non-grant or irrevocable complex discretionary spendthrift trust? It's a customized contract that you're contracting to do business, deal with the tax system, and deal with the legal system. You're customizing a contract. A customized private contract that has no government intervention because it's private. You don't register it with anybody. You just operate. It's already your constitutional right. It's in the Constitution. Article 1, Section 10. The state shall not impair any obligations of a private agreement. That means if I'm the trustee